Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Turn on Bluetooth, enable Wi-Fi, and unlock the iPhone you will send from. Once done, open Control Center, press and hold the network card, then tap AirDrop and choose contacts only or everyone depending on who you're sending to. Make sure the recipient's screen is awake and their device is discoverable. Doing this ensures the system uses Bluetooth to negotiate a secure peer connection and Wi-Fi to transfer files quickly and reliably. Now navigate to the file you want to send, photos, files, or another app, and tap the share icon. You'll see the AirDrop row appear near the top with nearby devices' avatars. That's the discovered devices list. Tap the recipient's avatar to initiate the transfer. The iPhone uses Bluetooth to establish a connection, then switches to peer-to-peer Wi-Fi for speed. Keep both devices awake and close. Transfers pause or fail if a device locks or moves out of range mid-transfer. Finish by having the recipient tap Accept when prompted. You'll see a progress indicator and then a delivered or saved confirmation when done. If the other device doesn't appear, make sure AirDrop visibility is set appropriately and toggle Bluetooth/Wi-Fi off and on. Switching AirDrop to everyone briefly often fixes discovery issues. If AirDrop still fails, use messages, mail, or a cloud link as an alternative, because iPhones don't support classic Bluetooth file profiles for arbitrary file transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.